Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Buckhead, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Shamea Morton. The home is situated on an acre of land, in the Kingswood neighborhood of Buckhead. The interior is fully reimagined, with a fresh transitional feel, and exceptional quality throughout. This Harrison design masterpiece has an expansive interior layout, featuring doors that open to 2 levels and to the outdoor entertaining spaces from almost every room, and that open to the pool and grounds. Double loggias stretch across the back of the residence and feature fireplaces, bar, outdoor kitchen for dining, and seating large groups. A private, heated pool and spa is surrounded by lush landscaping, mature trees, and a massive lawn that wraps around the pool. Completely fenced with wrought iron and double entry gates, one of which is perfect for extra parking on side street for entertaining. Walk into a stunning 2-story foyer, with gold leaf dome that opens to a breathtaking living room. The kitchen features custom cabinetry by Carpetti with double islands, one in Calacatta white gold marble and the other island has an extremely rare marble from Italy. The faucet sets are by Waterworks and cabinets have custom hardware. The kitchen opens to a vaulted 2-story family room with a fireplace that has a very rare European carved limestone mantel. The private owner's suite is on the main level, with a fireplace, motorized drapes, and doors that open to the patio and pool. The bath has mosaic tile inlay in the shower and tub, Waterworks faucets and 2 dressing rooms. The Waterworks faucets are in every bathroom throughout the home, and Carpetti custom cabinets throughout. There is a smart home automation and camera security system. The commercial elevator with geometric wood inlaid floors services all levels. There is a guest apartment over the oversized 4-car garages. Aggregate drive and motor court provide plenty of parking. Terrace level has over 12-foot ceilings. The full-size theater replicates the Fox Theater, fully functioning hair and nail salon, gym with sauna, steam, massage room, billiards room, wine cellar, bar with kitchen in the main entertaining space, game room, guest suite with fireplace, and double doors out to covered loggia. 10 sets of French doors open from terrace level to outdoor entertaining spaces including an outdoor bar, lounge area with fireplaces, and another enclosed spa with fireplace. It has large bedroom suites upstairs, with a living room, playroom, and balcony with a piano overlooking the foyer. This is one of the most desired locations in the heart of Buckhead, near the governor's mansion, shopping and dining. Walking distance to Pace Academy. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish taking a look inside.